How to fix something went wrong on Instagram login. Let's get started. First things first, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can trigger this error. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. If that doesn't work, clear Instagram's cache and data. For that, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head towards the option of iPhone storage. From here, find the app Instagram. After you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. Next up, what you can do is close this, launch your preferred browser. It's also possible that Instagram is down. Check website like Down Detector to see if other users are facing the same issue. If there is an outage, you will need to wait until Instagram resolves it. If the app's still giving you trouble, try logging in via a browser. Launch your preferred browser and then head towards the website of Instagram. Click on Login. Now provide your credentials and try to log into your account. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. For that, close this. Press and hold on the Instagram app. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram and then download it. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the something went wrong error and log back into your Instagram account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.